Welcome back, guys. We're back today to scavenge the rest of these trucks. We're gonna grab the most we can out of here, the plan is to take the doors off of this because I want the mirrors for my truck, and the hood we already removed it. We're gonna check a few more times in there, see what we can find. Let's see, maybe the badges, some small stuff, see what we can do. Okay boys, so stick around, let us work. Okay, we're taking what's left of this interior. Here we go. Please don't break, please don't break. Come on baby, there you go. One nice trim piece. That's for my truck. He likes to get real in there. How are you doing today, Jerry? A man of few words. We're taking this condenser unit so we can swap it on my truck because mine is leaking. Oh, look at the big hole down there, boy. God dang it. Who the hell did that? When they towed it, they fricked it up. We got a door off. I'm really debating to take this seat. Jerry, what do you think about the seat, man? Is it worth our while or?
I don't know, it seems like a lot of work to clean it up though.
Yeah, the cleaning up process is gonna...
And this back bit came off.
Yeah, mine don't even have the back of it, so... No, but you know, the seat is not the same because mine is designed to go in a crew cab. So the back is nicer with the ashtray.
This for the same?
No, it's not the same. No, let's leave it. Not worth our time. Hey, look, the back window is fine.
You can put this on the back bench though.
My back bench is really good. It's not got any tears.
Well, then we don't need this.
Nope.
Staying here.
B, do you want the radio?
I'm good, boy.
Okay. Oh, the dash pad. I'm gonna take the dash pad. Watch out now. Oh, you got something to... Oh, a Mustang! This old magazine is really old. Yeah, so the light is pretty good, so we're gonna take it. We're gonna take it too. É pick up kita hala masri bajje. Nang mover ele. Isso aqui que vocês. Com AC vents, tá sabe? Right, there you go. Tranquilo. Okay. Alright. Looks pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty dang good. Oh, the signal thingies. My truck doesn't have a signal. Whoa, there you go.
You should probably start wearing shoes.
The heaviest door in the world. Da 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 da. We're so ghetto. We even took the badges.
Why there was a sticker?
And a sticker. Okay, this is our score today. Got a few doors. I took the doors because I like the mirrors. The big mirrors, more heavy duty mirrors. Maybe I'll scrap the doors, or if somebody locally wants these doors, hit me up. They're free. The hood is mine. The mirrors are mine, but the rest of the door is free. So hit me up. Thank you for watching, boys. Please subscribe. Thank you and goodbye. Be safe.